What is the POLS token? The Polkastarter Utility Token, or POLS token, plays a critical role in the Polkastarter ecosystem, giving you access to IDO pools and also the staking feature. To ensure a more fair and secure fundraising process for both projects and community members, only whitelisted addresses can participate in Polkastarter IDOs. Whitelists are chosen at random from a pool of eligible addresses. An address is only eligible to be whitelisted if it holds at least 250 POLS. For every 250 POLS in a wallet, a user earns one additional chance of being successfully whitelisted for the upcoming IDO. Additionally, eligible addresses receive accelerators at 1,000, 3,000, 10,000 and 30,000 POLS, further increasing their chances of whitelist eligibility at each threshold. Each IDO has its own whitelist process, and eligible POLS holders must resubmit for each IDO, ensuring the playing field remains fair for all IDO participants, including newcomers. You can also stake POLS on our dashboard, granting you instant access to whitelist eligibility, but locking your tokens for 7 days. The POLS token will also play a critical role in community governance over the evolution of the protocol.